This is an avocado, and this is a podcast. That makes this an avocado podcast.
Hey everyone, I'm Rodney, and you're welcome to the third episode of the Young God Musical Showcase, where I share with you guys music that I made long before the Young God was even a thing. Today's song is a remix of a Nigerian classic, Brymo's Oleku. At the time, the song was such a hit that I had to jump on the beat. I just had to. Like, you know what that song sounds like. You know what it does to the body. So I just had to give it that dirty, sexy spin. The song also features my Zambian friend at the time, Aldo, whose stage name was Young Spy. Yeah, I know, we were so Raz back then, but nothing about our talent was Raz, though. You best believe that. And I believe we killed this beat. And one of the things you will notice from my verse is a lot of references that will immediately tell you what year and time I was in. I make reference to Steve Jobs' death, so it's safe to assume that the song was made around that time. And I also make reference to Michael Jackson's murder. Yes, murder, not death, because we know that doctor killed him, but that's a story for another day. So it's just really a cool song that we made cooler, dare I say. And the song is actually called Who the Fuck Is You? Because it's an ode to people always trying to limit my creativity, telling me I sing too much, or I make weird beats, or who I choose to make music with. Everybody always had an opinion about how to live your life, and it's so annoying, especially when I was in uni. You know, like, who the fuck is you to tell me what I can and cannot do? That's how the hook goes. So even today, some people still try to tell me how to host my podcast and what kind of content to put on there. People are weird, man, but it's nothing I can't handle. Don't worry. And this song is proof. I even went as far as calling out my schoolmates from high school who treated me like trash when we were kids. So yeah, this song isn't just meaningless raps. It's very relevant to the time, to the life I was living at the time, and it just bangs. And somewhere in the first verse, this is really cool. Somewhere in the first verse, I made mention that I'm a god like Zeus, as if I knew that years later I'd be a god for real. As if I fucking knew. Rodney, yo, I'm deep, yo. But perhaps my favorite thing about the song is how I started the first verse. I think it's my best start to a verse ever. You won't see it coming. If you remember your nursery rhymes, it will make sense. Young Spy's verse had a killer intro as well. Yeah, it's actually underrated. The way he came in was actually like something I didn't see coming at the time. I remember when he just started rapping it, I was like, ooh, snap, nigga, you feeling it today. So yeah, in general, I'm really proud of this song, and you know, we're serious, and it showed in how we put it together. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it makes sense, and I'd love to get some feedback. As usual, I should remind you that this song contains strong language and mad punchlines. All right then, let's listen to Oleku remix.
Yeah. 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 Dirty, sexy, baby. Young Spy, baby. And cheesy, baby. And Tweezy, baby. Mr. Neil, baby. Mac Lady, baby. And Toes, my lady. And Cedric.
Who the fuck is you? To tell me what I can and cannot do. You're so confused. I am the truth. I prove it when I get into the blues. This track is proof. I got the fire. I got the lighter. I make it hotter. This beat will suffer. Please call the doctor. I fret the butter. I got the butler. Did I stutter. Okay, 1, 2, I buckle my shoes. I take a deep breath and I pay my dues. I don't need luck cause I cannot lose. From my skin does greatness ooze. Thunder on the beat, I'm a god like Zeus. I got a 6-pack, I ain't talking about booze. Girls dig that, so I grind like Jews. Gymming on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays too. I'm that nigga, I'm that dude. Fuck your feeling without lube. Never drop down like grandma's boobs. I'm kicking ass like noob. Side butt, I got moolah baby. I got that brown sugar baby. April 5 is when God made me, so I'ma stay fly to the day He takes me. To tell me what I cannot do. You so confused. I am the truth. I prove it when I get into the blues. This track is proof. I got the fire. I got the lighter. I make it hotter. This beat will suffer. Please call the doctor. I bread the butter. I got the butler. Did I stutter? Okay.
Yes, when you ask who the best, it's me. Don't ask who the best is speed. Chilling with my nigga Rodney. You can say what you want, I'm G. I'm good, I'm great, I'm safe. You not my nigga, you hate. I do this, fam, it's fate. I'm hungry, but I just ate. I'm phony, my nigga, no way. I pull up in the spot, more way. Blow it on the bitches, oh yay. I'm in, oh yeah. Nigga, this my year. And I got what you need. My flow is like my man's brand new and free. So girl,
who the fuck is you? To tell me what I cannot do. You so confused. I am the truth. I prove it when I get into the blues. This track is proof. I got the fire. I got the lighter. I make it hotter. This beat will suffer. Please call the doctor. I bread the butter. I got the butler. Did I stutter? Okay. R.I.P. to my nigga Steve Jobs. Thanks to his ass, now I got iPods. Keep it low key like midget doorknobs. I wanna shout out to my high school snobs. Y'all made me think I'm screwed up, but I came back like a nigga Mac Jack, and I killed that track like they killed Mac Jack, and I gotta stay strapped to the grap. Rubber band, I'm on your mind like a hologram. I'm sick, I'm hot like a fireman. You're not on my level, I'm the high man. I'm beating my chest like Tarzan. Then I beat that pussy and I eat that pussy. Call me anytime, I'ma meet that pussy. Young Spot and I will smoke that cushy. Big in the game, matter of fact, we pushy. To tell me what I cannot do. You so confused. I am the truth. I prove it when I get into the blues. This track is proof. I got the fire. I got the lighter. I make it hotter. This beat will suffer. Please call the doctor. I bread the butter. I got the butler. Did I stutter? Okay.
So yeah, that was Who the Fuck Is You? Oleku remix by Dirty Sexy Rodney. Did I stutter? I wonder what Brymo and Ice Prince would think if they heard this. And I'm sure they heard a lot of remixes when that song came out. But I'm just curious, what would just pass through their mind just hearing this version. And man, I'm so undefeated. I really opened up my mouth and said, I never dropped down like grandma's boobs. I never dropped down like grandma's boobs. I don't know if you caught that, but every time I hear the song and that part comes on, I just giggle because who would say that, right? So yeah, that's the song of the week. I would like to hear from you, your thoughts, if you feel so inspired. And you can listen to the full song without any of this commentary on my SoundCloud. Link is in the description. Do check that out. Every song that I release here eventually gets released on SoundCloud that same week. So you could, deep dive into the song and download it if you want. It's all up to you. So thank you for listening. Thank you for tuning in. More great songs coming up. Rodney out.